Okay, the first coat is on. Another 2 to go. Second coat of paint's done. Another 1 to go. This one a bit better. Alright, this is the third coat done, and the tape's removed. Definitely no holes anywhere. Obviously got to put the plug back in that one, but a new plastic trim. There's definitely no rust getting through this time. Right to the line of the tape. And we call that a win. Good one. Alright, that's all we needed to do. Stick the mat back in. And it's done again. Too easy. Got to redo the other side in a little while.